Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing the crucial do's and don'ts to make your LinkedIn profile stand out. Let's begin. First, let's talk about the all-important profile photo. Your profile photo should convey professionalism and approachability, dress appropriately for your industry and project confidence. Use a high quality photo. Ensure your photo is of high resolution so it does not appear pixelated or blurry. Also, avoid using selfies for your profile photo. Use your current picture. Your LinkedIn profile should reflect your current appearance. Avoid using outdated photos. Don't use filters or effects. While filters and effects can be fun on social media, LinkedIn is a professional platform. Avoid using them and keep your photo natural and authentic. Moving on to your LinkedIn summary. Show your personality. Your summary is a chance to show who you are beyond your resume. Inject some personality and let your voice shine through. Emphasize your value proposition. Clearly articulate what you bring to the table. Highlight your unique skills, experiences, and accomplishments. Use keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords related to your industry and skills. This can improve your profile's visibility. Keep it concise. While it's essential to showcase your value, keep your summary concise and to the point, aim for clarity and brevity. Now, let's focus on your profile's headline. Industry. Specify your industry or field of expertise. Skills. Include key skills that are relevant to your profession. Results. Mention specific achievements or results when possible. This adds weight to your profile. Why should you avoid generic skills? Number 1. They are overused. Generic skills like communication and teamwork are overused and they don't make you stand out. Number 2. They are not measurable. It is difficult to measure or quantify generic skills, making them less impactful. Number 3. They don't reflect your brand. LinkedIn is all about personal branding. Generic skills don't contribute to building a unique professional identity. Let's discuss some common mistakes to steer clear of. Grammar and spelling errors. Typos and errors in your profile can make you appear less professional. Always proofread. Copying and pasting your resume. LinkedIn profiles should complement your resume, not duplicate it. So provide additional context and details. Using generic or cliche phrases. Avoid buzzwords and phrases like detail oriented or results driven. Instead, show these qualities through your experiences and achievements. Now, let's see why grammar and spelling matters on your LinkedIn profile. Well, we got to know this through industry experts, and we thought of sharing it to you in this video. They reflect your professionalism. Proper grammar and spelling reflects your professionalism and attention to detail. They affect your credibility. Errors can damage your credibility with potential employers or connections. Demonstrates attention to detail. Attention to detail is a valuable skill, so demonstrating it on your profile can set you apart. Now, let's explore ways to boost your visibility and networking on LinkedIn. Engage. Actively engage with your network by liking, commenting, and sharing relevant content. This increases your visibility. Optimize. Continuously update your profile with new accomplishment and skills. Regularly revisit your keywords to ensure they are relevant. Network. Expand your network strategically. Connect with professionals who share your interests and can help you achieve your goals. So, with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you have found these do's and don'ts helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video informative, feel free to connect with us on LinkedIn. Link is in the video description below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Until then, it's me, Tanvita, signing off. Thanks for watching.